what's up everyone? Good morning, and today it's a weekend. I'm going for a weekend ride, and the time is now 5:10 a.m. and I need to be there by 5 o'clock. So it's already late. So let's get going.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me, and he keeps talking about everything that I like.
So hey, so ఇక్కడ మేము ఆగాము somewhere around in the village. ఇక్కడ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ కోసం మేము ఆగాము. The time is around 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. in the morning. And quick ride update, 140 kilometers మేము చేసాం. We have done around 140 and 120 more to go. And as you can see, it's completely fogged up back side. మాకు కొంచెం temperature is like around 26 degrees Celsius. Be like this, if it's like this, బాగుంటుంది. లేదంటే we need to see how the day goes.
And I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time.
సో ఫైనల్గా వచ్చేసినాం. మొత్తం 275 kilometers అయింది. 4.5 hours journey. It's 11:30 and now we need to go down. Need to walk 400 steps down. I don't know how is the view. Let's go and see. And here are our bikes. This is how we parked them, and now we are gonna go down.
And my heart's beating fast when it's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that it moves and the way that it laughs, so I can't get enough. Think about him all the time.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ పైకి ఎక్కాలి. సో ఇవాళ నేను స్పోర్ట్స్ షూస్ కూడా వేసుకొచ్చిన దీనికోసం అని చెప్పి, ఇట్లాంటిది ఏదో ఉంటుందని. లెట్స్ సీ.
I can get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter.
మొన్న వర్షాలకు వాటర్ రాలే. అండ్ ఎస్ వీఆర్ హియర్. చూస్తున్నారు కదా, ఇలా ఉంది వెనక మొత్తం.
I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new, even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you.
Hey, so it's a quick update, quick ride update. We are here near the Shriram Sagar project. While we are on the way to our house, we have stopped here. It's a coincidence. We didn't plan for this, but we came here. As you can see, we are dead tired, literally dead tired, and you can see the sun, how the sun is.
I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna na 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 now. Yeah,